Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today is all about self-care and I'm taking you guys with me to get my nails, feet, and lashes done. It's been a long week and this glow up is much needed. Let's get into it. I started with my nails. I wanted something clean, fresh, and a little bit classy, so I went with a skinny French tip. My nail tech always knows how to get me together. There's just something about having your nails done that makes you feel like you got your whole life in order, right? I don't know about y'all, but right now, self-care is vital to me in my life. Not only does it reduce anxiety, depression, and stress, but it also improves self-esteem, enhances sleep quality and energy, boosts happiness, and promotes positive thinking. So boom, I'm done preaching. Let's get into this shape. And by the way, these are my real nails. This is just an overlay so I don't break my nails. But I'm loving it. Per usual. One thing about Liv is that the vibes are always going to be immaculate. Like, she's always going to have some of the best R&B playing in the background. And it's like always at the perfect volume. Like, not too loud, but not too soft. Like, I still feel like I'm in a personal concert minus the rah-rah, if you get my drift. Like, I love a good soothing, relaxing appointment. You know what I mean? I feel like when life gets busy, it's so easy to put yourself last. So today I'm making myself a priority. And if you love a good maintenance day like me, then stay tuned because we're about to get all the way together. My nail tech always understands the assignment. I love how she takes her time to really shape the nails just right. It's the small details for me. Let me know in the comments, are you more of a natural nails person or do you like colors and different shapes? Fun fact, I go to one service provider to get 3 services done. How cool is that? Liv does my nails, my toes, and my lashes. I'm loving today's set. It's giving clean. It's giving timeless. It's giving I have my life in order even when it doesn't feel like it. It's giving soft life. I like it. I don't know about y'all, but it's something about a fresh set. Like, I could stare at it all day long. Like, literally, like, as soon as you get them done, like, they just so crisp. I love it. Next up, a good pedicure. And honestly, this is my favorite part. The bath salt is already in here, and now she's just about to add the oils and the rest of the whatever you call this. This is by far my favorite part. Like, it's the foot massage for me every time. Listen, this is my version of heaven. I decided to match my toes with my nails, but honestly, I always get French tip on my toes, so that was just a no-brainer. And one thing about me, if my toes are polished, then my whole mood is better. And if you're not getting the hot towel treatment with your pedicure, like, baby, you're missing out on the whole experience. Between the foot scrub, the lotion, and the massage, I swear I could have stayed there all day. 10 out of 10 experience. I didn't get a chance to film getting my lashes done for y'all this time, but this is basically the results. I got a classic set, and the lengths range anywhere from 8 to 14, and this is what I normally get. And even though it's a classic set, like, I feel like my lashes are really, really fluffy. It's a very natural look, like, it's subtle, keeping with my theme. But thanks for watching, you guys. Like, comment, subscribe.